She never imagined that the life she had built with her husband could turn into a source of pain so deep. They had shared years together, dreams, and plans, and yet, when the reality of infertility became apparent, everything seemed to crumble around her. It wasn't just the physical struggle of trying and failing, it was the quiet judgment, the whispered doubts, and the growing distance that began to grow between them. Each day felt heavier than the last, as she watched the person she had trusted with her heart slowly withdraw, unable to see her value beyond the expectations she couldn't fulfill. The moment he asked her to leave, it was more than a rejection, it felt like a denial of her very existence. The world she had known, the love she had believed in, suddenly felt fragile, and the path ahead seemed uncertain. Pain, confusion, and a sense of worthlessness settled in, but even in that darkness, there was a spark she didn't yet recognize, a resilience quietly waiting to guide her to something she had never imagined. It was in the wake of that heartbreak that her story began to truly change. After being thrown out, the days felt endlessly long and heavy. She carried more than just the sting of betrayal, she carried the weight of judgment from a society that measures a woman's worth by the life she can create. Friends and family tried to console her, but their words often felt hollow, reminders of what she was supposedly lacking. Nights were the hardest, when silence replaced the noise of the world and she was left alone with her thoughts, replaying every word, every glance, every moment that led to this heartbreak. Loneliness settled in like an unwelcome companion, and with it came the creeping doubts about herself, about her choices, and about whether she would ever be seen for who she truly was. She questioned her strength, her beauty, and even her right to hope again. Yet, amid this emotional turmoil, there was a quiet transformation taking place. Every tear shed, every sleepless night, and every painful memory began to shape her resilience. She realized that survival wasn't just about enduring, it was about learning to reclaim herself in a world that had tried to define her by what she couldn't give. Even in the depths of sorrow, she was slowly discovering the power within her. Just when life seemed like it would remain a series of gray, lonely days, an unexpected encounter changed everything. She met him, a single dad, a CEO, someone whose life seemed completely different from hers, yet who carried his own burdens quietly, almost invisibly. There was a gentleness in his eyes, a calm understanding in his voice, and a warmth that felt strangely familiar, as if he somehow recognized the pain she had been carrying. Unlike the world around her, he didn't judge her for what she couldn't give, he saw her for who she was, her strength, her kindness, and the light that had not been dimmed by heartbreak. Their conversation began casually, yet every word seemed to pull her closer to the possibility of something new, something real. For the first time in months, she felt seen, not as a collection of failures or shortcomings, but as a complete person, worthy of respect, care, and maybe even love. That moment was subtle but profound, a gentle turning point in a life that had been clouded with rejection and doubt. It was a small step, yet it opened the door to a world she had thought she'd lost forever. As she spent more time with him, she began to realize that this was different from anything she had ever experienced. He didn't just offer kindness or sympathy, he offered partnership, respect, and an unwavering belief in her worth. He didn't see her infertility as a flaw, he saw it as just one part of her story, not the definition of who she was. Slowly, the walls she had built around her heart, walls that had been reinforced by years of rejection and pain, began to soften. He shared his own struggles and vulnerabilities, showing her that even someone who appeared confident and in control carried scars of their own. Through laughter, quiet conversations, and shared moments, a bond formed, one built not on obligation or pity, but on genuine understanding and connection. She began to feel hope stirring where there had only been despair, realizing that love could exist without judgment, without conditions, and without shame. The world that had once rejected her now seemed full of possibility, and she felt herself opening to a future she had once thought impossible. For the first time in a long while, she believed in the possibility of happiness again. Through their growing connection, she began to notice a change within herself, subtle at first, but undeniable. The pain that had once weighed her down no longer felt like the center of her world. She was learning to see herself not through the lens of past rejection, but through the lens of strength, resilience, and self-worth. Each kind word, each gesture of understanding, and each shared moment with him reminded her that she was capable of love, of joy, and of being seen for who she truly was. The fear that had once kept her from trusting again began to fade, replaced by a quiet confidence that she could face the world on her own terms. She realized that healing was not about erasing the past, but about embracing it, learning from it, and letting it shape her into someone even stronger. In learning to accept herself, she also learned that happiness could coexist with vulnerability, that strength could exist alongside tenderness, and that life could offer second chances when least expected. She was no longer defined by loss, but by the courage to embrace her own story. With time, she realized that life had given her more than just a second chance at love, it had given her a fresh beginning. The pain of the past no longer held the power to define her days. Instead, it had become the foundation for the strength she carried into the future. She discovered that happiness wasn't about perfection or meeting someone else's expectations, it was about finding connection, trust, and acceptance in unexpected places. With him by her side, she saw what it truly meant to be supported, valued, and loved unconditionally, and she began to believe in the possibility of building a life filled with warmth, laughter, and hope. Every small gesture, every shared dream, and every moment of understanding reinforced that love could heal wounds, rewrite stories, and create a future richer than anything she had imagined. She understood that being thrown out once did not mark the end of her story, but rather a turning point, a moment that led her to a life filled with meaning, compassion, and a sense of belonging she had longed for. Her journey was proof that even after heartbreak, new beginnings are always possible.